Hello, my student. We continue page 31, Unit 5. I need that you open your book, please, and your notebook. Copy in your notebook the date, the topic, future consequence, performance, listen activity. We use will to express consequence. En esta unidad vamos a ver, o en esta página, the will. Siempre expresamos, cuando vamos a expresar hacia el futuro, se utiliza will. ¿Ok? They are the examples. Some food will give you healthy looking skin. Lo utilizamos como una consecuencia. Algunos alimentos le brindan a usted una piel saludable. ¿Ok? And in your page 31.E, we need using the will in sentences. Vamos a hacer la actividad. En este momento vamos a escuchar el audio. Si está bajo, no interesa. Como les digo, es para que ustedes vean cómo realizo la actividad, pero se los entrego en forma adjunta. ¿Ok? Okay, we start. 1, 2, 3. Wait for me here and here.
I'm a fitness and nutrition expert. Today, I'm going to answer some questions. First, Betsy from New York writes, what vegetables will help my vision and what quick, easy meals can I make with them? Well, Betsy, I have two solutions for you. First, you should make a salad, a spinach salad. Spinach will make your eyes strong. Then you should throw in some carrots too. Those are great for your eyes. Next, I have a question from Adam in Los Angeles. Adam writes, I always get hungry after I exercise. What should I eat? Well, Adam, you should definitely eat something with protein. Try some eggs, nuts, or yogurt. There are a couple reasons for this. First, those foods will help your sore muscles. Next, they're delicious and satisfying, so you will feel full after eating them.
Okay, this is the activity. You need to underline the food that you listen or the part of the body. Okay, and this is the activity. See you. Bye.